Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Having trouble with your PS5 disc reader in 2025. It's a common headache for many PlayStation 5 owners when discs won't go in or games just aren't loading properly. Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are several straightforward steps we can take to get your console back in action. We'll explore some easy troubleshooting tips, helping you diagnose and hopefully resolve those disc reader woes right from home. Let's start with the basics. First, confirm your PS5 system software is fully updated. Sometimes, a software glitch can mimic a hardware issue. Next, try a complete power cycle. Turn off your console, unplug it from the wall, and wait at least 1 full minute before plugging it back in and restarting. Also, always give your disc a good, gentle wipe with a microfiber cloth, checking for any fingerprints or scratches that might prevent it from reading correctly. Now, let's move to a quick physical inspection of your console. Take a close look at the disc slot itself. Sometimes, dust, pet hair, or even a small foreign object can get lodged inside, preventing a disc from entering or being read. Use a flashlight to carefully peer into the opening, making sure the path is completely clear. Remember, discs should always slide in smoothly, so never, ever try to force one in if it feels stuck or meets resistance. If your disc is stuck, or the reader still isn't working, there's one more advanced step you can try: the manual eject screw. This tiny screw, usually hidden under the console's faceplate, can release a disc that's trapped inside. Make sure to consult the official PlayStation support website for detailed, visual instructions on how to access and use it safely. If after all these efforts, your PS5 disc reader remains unresponsive, it's likely time to consider professional repair services. To help prevent these issues from recurring, always keep your PlayStation 5 in a clean, dust-free environment, away from excessive dust or pet hair. Make it a habit to handle your discs carefully, always holding them by their edges to avoid smudges. For games you access frequently, consider purchasing the digital version. It can significantly reduce wear and tear on your disk drive, keeping your PS5 in top shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.